Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to change the passcode on iPhone 16 or 16 Pro. First go into settings, then go to Face ID and passcode, and first enter your previous passcode. Then scroll down to change passcode and enter your previous passcode again. And now you can set your new passcode. And you can choose passcode options like you can set it to 4-digit numeric code, 6-digit numeric code, custom numeric code, or custom alphanumeric code. And I'm gonna use the 4-digit. And you can see this message that for the next 72 hours you can still use the previous passcode to reset your new passcode if you forget it. I'm gonna set 1234 and click on use anyway. And you need to enter it twice to confirm, and now it's set. And when I unlock my iPhone, it asks me for this new passcode. That's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.